Hello everyone, welcome to the Money Think channel. Today, we're diving into 9 proven ways to manage your money better. We'll explore practical strategies that can empower you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of sound financial management budgeting. Creating a budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about gaining clarity and control over your money. Think of it as a roadmap for your finances, guiding you toward your goals. Now, let's talk about how to set up a simple budget. Start by listing all your sources of income, your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of revenue. Next, categorize your expenses. This could include fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start allocating your funds. The goal is to ensure that your income exceeds your expenses, leaving you with a surplus that you can save or invest. Remember, budgeting is a dynamic process, so review and adjust it regularly to reflect changes in your income or spending habits. So you've got your budget in place? That's fantastic. Now, let's talk about how to navigate those big spending decisions. You know, those purchases that make your heart skip a beat. A new car, a dream vacation, or that state-of-the-art gadget you've been eyeing. Before you whip out your credit card, take a step back and evaluate the impact of these purchases on your budget. Will this expense derail your financial goals? Will it lead to debt accumulation? Consider the long-term implications of your spending choices. Remember, impulse buying can be detrimental to your financial well-being. Instead, practice mindful spending. Ask yourself if this purchase aligns with your values and priorities. If it doesn't, it might be wise to reconsider. We've covered budgeting and big spending decisions, but what about those everyday expenses that often fly under the radar? You know, the daily coffee runs, the impulse purchases at the grocery store, or those seemingly insignificant online subscriptions. Believe it or not, these small expenses can accumulate over time and put a dent in your budget. That's why it's crucial to track them diligently. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook to log your daily expenses. This practice will give you a realistic picture of where your money is going. Once you have a clear understanding of your spending patterns, you can identify areas where you can cut back. Perhaps you're spending more on takeout than you realized, or maybe you're subscribing to services you no longer use. By making small adjustments to your daily spending habits, you can free up more money to save or invest. Debt can be a heavy burden, weighing down your financial progress. It's essential to keep your debt under control to maintain a healthy financial life. Let's explore some strategies for reducing debt and safeguarding your credit score. First and foremost, prioritize high-interest debt. Credit card debt often carries hefty interest rates, so focus on paying it down as quickly as possible. Consider strategies like debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest rates and streamline your repayment process. Remember, maintaining good credit is crucial for accessing favorable loan terms and interest rates in the future. Make your debt payments on time and avoid maxing out your credit cards to protect your creditworthiness. Monthly payments can quickly drain your bank account if you're not mindful. From streaming subscriptions to gym memberships and utility bills, these recurring expenses can add up. Let's dive into how to manage and potentially reduce these monthly commitments. Start by creating a comprehensive list of all your monthly payments. Include everything from rent or mortgage payments to insurance premiums, loan repayments, and those subscription services that sneakily deduct funds from your account. Once you have a clear overview, you can identify areas for optimization. Consider negotiating better rates with your service providers. Call your internet provider, insurance company, or phone carrier and inquire about potential discounts or promotional offers. You might be surprised at how much you can save by simply asking. Life is full of surprises, and sometimes those surprises come with a hefty price tag. Unexpected medical expenses, car repairs, or job loss can throw your finances into disarray. That's where an emergency fund comes in, a financial safety net to cushion the blow of unforeseen events. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. Gradually increase your contributions as your income allows. Aim to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will provide you with a buffer to navigate unexpected challenges without resorting to high-interest debt. Remember, Your emergency fund is for genuine emergencies, not impulse purchases or non-essential expenses. Keep it separate from your regular checking account to avoid dipping into it unnecessarily. In today's digital age, there's no excuse for overpaying for goods and services. Price comparison apps and websites have revolutionized the way we shop, empowering us to find the best deals with just a few clicks. Let's explore how these tools can help you save money and stretch your budget further. Before you make a purchase, take a few minutes to compare prices across different retailers. Apps like Honey and WikiBuy automatically search for coupon codes and discounts, saving you time and effort. Websites like Google Shopping and PriceRunner allow you to compare prices from a wide range of online stores, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. Remember, price comparison tools are your allies in the quest for savings. Use them diligently to avoid overspending and maximize your purchasing power. Managing your finances can feel overwhelming, but thankfully, there's an app for that. Personal finance apps have emerged as powerful tools to simplify budgeting, track expenses, and gain a holistic view of your financial landscape. Let's delve into some top apps that can streamline your financial management journey. Mint is a popular budgeting app that syncs with your bank accounts and credit cards, providing real-time insights into your spending habits. YNAB, You Need a Budget, is another highly acclaimed app that encourages proactive budgeting by allocating every dollar you earn. For those seeking investment guidance, apps like Acorns and Stash offer micro-investing options, allowing you to invest spare change and build a diversified portfolio. Remember, personal finance apps are designed to empower you, not replace your financial decision-making. Use them as tools to enhance your financial literacy and make informed choices. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay ahead of the curve by continuously expanding your knowledge. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning to navigate the complexities of money management with confidence. There are countless resources available to enhance your financial literacy. Websites like Investopedia and The Balance offer comprehensive articles and tutorials on various financial topics. Podcasts like Planet Money and Choose Fi provide insightful discussions and interviews with financial experts. Remember, investing in your financial education is an investment in your future. The more you learn about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions and achieve your goals. Today, we covered 9 essential strategies to enhance your financial management. From budgeting and debt management to leveraging technology and continuous learning, we explored practical tips to empower you on your financial journey. Remember, mastering your money is an ongoing process, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others manage their money better. Thank you for watching. We will be back for more. In the meantime, keep bustling, keep money thinking.